Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. I had a question related with how many succulents can we place in a small pot. Can we place more than one? Of course guys, again this all depends upon how much space that small little pot has. For example, this is a pot that I had recently made with the concrete. So this was made through a mold, a silicone mold. So in a pot like this, you can put a small size succulent. Probably you can put 2 or 3, a small size. But if you have a medium size succulent like this one, then you'll have to use only one, because you can see the pot size is very small. I think this pot might be less than an inch. I'm not very sure. I'm not able to find my scale right now, but this would be less than an inch. So in this, one succulent is more than enough. Now this succulent has been in this for almost more than a year, probably close to 2 years, and it's doing quite well. I am sure that this succulent might be root bound, but I'm not very sure. I will repot it in some future date. So in a pot like this, you can grow one single succulent. Now what I did is, because I love these pots, I love the design of this pot. So what I did is I made 2 pots and I attached them together like this one. What I did is I filled the silicone mold. The first one, I made it into a proper pot. But the second one, I filled it halfway through, so it did not have the base in the second pot. And what I did next is I stuck both of them together like this, and I added some flowers onto it. So I stuck both of them. So this one is a full pot, but this one does not have the base, so it has been fixed together, so it turns out into a big pot. And in this I can put, these are all 3 medium size succulents. I have put them together, all 3 of them. But you have to remember, all the 3 succulents that you're using in that arrangement has to have the same requirement in terms of watering and in terms of sunlight. All of these 3 succulents require a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours, or even 6 to 7 hours. They will do absolutely fine. So I put them together. The same soil mix, loose porous well draining, which is 80% of aquarium sand and 20% of filtered garden soil, and you can see they're doing quite well. The pot looks a little bit dirty because there was a lot of mud splatter because of the rains. So this is how the pot looks like. I really love this pot making. It is working out really well, especially with these flowers. But unfortunately, I'm not able to make a lot of these pots because I'm running out of space. And my landlord is getting a little bit pissed with all of the plants and the amount of pots that I have. So I have to kind of keep a control on it. But nevertheless, as and when I try to make some space, I will definitely create some more pots like this. So I think that might have answered the question. Yes, you can put more than one succulent in the pot. Just check how much space the pot has and ensure that all of those succulents that you're planning to put together have the same requirements in terms of sunlight and in terms of watering. So guys, I hope that the video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.